Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In the previous video we had completed till exercise 4.2. So in this video we will start our exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3 is completely based on the topic angles. So firstly we will discuss topic angles. So what does the meaning of angles? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common end point. It means whenever two rays start with the same point, so they will make the angle. Okay. The two rays forming the angle are called the arms of the arms or side of the angle. So we know two rays forming angle, and that two ray will consider as arms or side of a angle. The common end point is the vertex of the angle. So where the angle is formed, the common end point of the side is called the vertex. Here with the pencil I wrote one line, that is, angles are made when corners are formed. So in the polygon, when we see the corner, so on the corner we will take the angle. It means if you can see here I put one box. So where did you find the angle? Here we can find the angle. Here we can find the angle. Okay, because here they are the corners of the box. Here, okay, here. So they four are the angles of the box. So as you can see, I make two figures. In the first figure, first ray name is OP, because OP starting point is O and P is the last point on the ray, but that ray is continuously going on. Same as OQ. O is the starting point and Q is the last point on the ray, and ray is continuously going on. But the main point is in the angle is the common point is O. So here on the vertex O, this is O is the common point and this is the vertex of the angle. So how we can write the name of this angle? This angle can write as a form of angle O, or we can call it as angle. Okay, how the big name of the angle will create? Just look it properly. The one point on the first arm is P. Okay, so we will take P. Okay, P. When we are moving from the P, who will come? O. Okay, then from moving from O, then who will come? Q. So this angle name consider as angle O or angle POQ. Now the next figure, angle name is also considered as angle P, because vertex P is the common point, or we can take PA. As you can see, this is our first ray. PB, this is our second ray. PC, this is our second ray. So when we are taking the full figure from the first to last, PB is the middle ray. So we are not taking this, we are taking the whole P angle. So whole P angle is making from PA ray and PC ray. So its second name will consider as from A. From A we will start. From A, when we are moving from A, who will come? P. Okay, and then on the last ray, whose name will coming here? C. Okay. Here as you can see in this angle, here we have two types of angle. If we are partition of the angle, here we have two kinds of angle. First is this much portion and second is this much portion. Okay. The vertex is always written as the middle letter. It means whenever you see that in both the figure, the vertex, that is O, कहाँ पर आया? O में. O is coming in the middle. Here P is also coming in the middle. Okay. So now we are going to start our exercise. Exercise 4.3. Its first question is, name the angles in the given figure. So this figure they given us. Okay. How many vertex in the figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertex in the figure. So we have to write the angles name. So firstly we will start from A. Okay. Okay. Angle A angle B, angle C and angle D. Angle C and angle D. Okay, their full name, we will write their full name. Okay, because we have to learn how to write full name. Okay, now we are on the angle A. Okay, angle A name we can take from D or we can take from B. Okay, I am taking from D, so vertex is A, so A will come in the middle. Always remember one thing, vertex name will come in the middle. So if we are starting from D, so it's D A B. Once again check it, angle A is coming in the middle or not? Yes, A is coming in the middle. Now for the vertex B, okay, it's start from A, then B, then C. Once again you will check B is coming in the middle or not? Yes, it is coming. Now for the C, okay, B, C, D. Check it, C is coming in the middle. Yes, C is coming in the middle. Now the angle D, over here we will start from C or we can start from A. Both the side we can start, but I am starting from C. Okay, angle C, angle D, angle A. Okay, if the left and right places are exchanging their values, it means B is coming on the D place and D is coming on the B place. So it will not be considered as incorrect answer. It is right. Why? Because A is coming in the middle, B is coming in the middle, C is coming in the middle and D is coming in the middle. If D and B are exchanging their places, so it will also consider as correct answer. Okay, so here is our answer of first question. Now the second question is in the given diagram, name the point. It means we have to consider this figure. From this figure we have to write the point name. So just see which point is there. A, B, C, D, E, F, O. Who is the common point? O. O is the common point. And how many rays in the figure? OF 1, OE 2, OD third. So A number question is in the interior of angle DOE. So firstly we will see where is D. Where is D? D is here, O here and E is here. Okay. Question said we have to see interior. In the interior of angle DOE, it means only this much portion. Okay. Only in this much portion, which point is in the interior. Okay. Inside the figure. As you can see, only A is inside the figure. So our answer is A. Okay. Now B is in the exterior of angle EOF. So firstly we have to see where is E. Here is E. O, F. Okay. Exterior, it means outside. So it means this much portion we will hide. And how many points have you seen? A, D, C. A, D, C. Okay. These three are coming at the outside of angle EOF. Answer is A, C, D. Why did we not taken B? We did not taken B because B is present on the boundary of the angle. It means B is not inside the angle, B is not outside the angle, B is on the boundary. C last is on angle EOF. On angle EOF. Onward is coming here, so we will see on the angle boundary EOF who is present. So firstly, as you can see, first point is E, then B, then O, then F. So E, B, O and F. So here we completed our second question. Question number third is draw rough diagram of two angles. It means we have to draw the diagram of two angles such that they have, okay. It means in every question we have to draw at least two angles, okay. At least two angles we have to draw, and we have to fulfill the condition of given 5 things. Its first is one point in common. So we have to draw at least two angles whose one point is common. Okay, let's see how to draw it. So I drawn figure like in this way. In this we have the common point is O, and from O we are taking 4 rays. We can draw any figure from according to our choice. I am making this kind of figure. In this figure we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 rays. Their name is OB, OC, OD, OA. So we have to write two angles name in that 1 point in common. So we are showing this O point is common. So which things we are taking? Firstly we will take this angle, and after that we will take this angle. Okay. So for this angle, okay, for this angle we will start from D. From where we will start? From D. So angle D O A, D O A. Okay, check it. O is coming in the middle. Yes, O is coming in the middle. Then second angle. For the second angle we will start from C. Okay, angle C O B. Okay, now as you can see, which alphabet is coming in both the places? O. Okay, O is coming in the both angles. So which is common? Point O is common. Okay, they show 1 point, so we shown O point is common, only 1 point. Now the second is 2 points in common. It means like in the first section we shown 1 point is common, in this section we have to show 2 points in common. So here it is, I drawn the figure. Here O is the common vertex, okay, and we have 4 rays OA, OB, OC, OD. In these we have to show 2 points in common. If we are taking this angle and this angle, in this angle we already seen 1 point will come. But if we are taking this angle and this angle, okay, this side angle and this side angle, where I drawn 2 lines, these two are we are taking. Okay, let's see what will happen. So for this section we will start from B, or we can also start from C. So I am going to start with B. Okay, if we are starting from the B, after B who will come? O, and after the O who will come? C. For the next angle C, after C who will come? O, then who? D. Okay, now as you can recognize, 2 points are on both the angles, which first is O and second is C. Okay, so points O and C is common. Now the third is 3 points in common. So here I drawn the figure. This is right angle, okay, 90-degree angle, and I divide 90 angle into 2 sections from the ray OQ. Okay, so as you can see in the previous section, we will take firstly this angle, and after that we will take this angle. Okay, so for the this angle we are talking about, so firstly is R, and from R who will come? O, then Q. Okay, then for the next, if we are starting from Q who will come? O, then who will come? P. So as you can see in these two angle, okay, in these two angle O, 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 Q, Q is common, but question said we have to show 3 points in common. Okay, so these two angles are neighbor to each other. These two angles are neighbor to each other. If we draw its common, if we put its common ray, if we put any point on its common ray whose name is S. So as you can see, S is on the boundary of this angle and S is also on the boundary of this angle. So S is also common. Okay, S point is also common for both the angle. Okay, so which point is common? First is points Q, S and O are common. Okay, don't get confused, because in this S is not coming. Okay, angle, in the angle name S is not coming, but S is the point, because they said to show point name, that's why S is common. If they show to angle name, on that time in the angle name S is not there. Okay, don't get confused. Same as in this question number D, they show 4 point. This time on the place of S, as we put here point S, on that time we have to put 2 points as the previous question. Okay, so angle, 2 angle question said to draw at least 2 angles, so we draw on 2 angle, and in this section they show 4 points in common. But after writing the angle name R O Q, Q O P, we seen only Q and O are common, because Q O is the common ray, but we have to show 4 point. Acha, from the 4 we shown 2, how many are remaining? Only 2 are remaining. So those 2 points we will put on the common ray. Okay, first name is S, that we are putting according to our choice, and next name is T. So now how many points are we can see are common? That are O, Q, S and T. Okay, so we have to write point O, Q, S and T are common. Okay, now the last question of the exercise, one ray in common. So same figure I drawn here. So as you can see, here I am putting the vertex name. Vertex name we can put according to our choice, and here I put A, here I put B, here I put C. Okay, so their angle name, first angle we will consider this, and next angle we will consider it this. So from here we are starting A. In the previous section I was started from this section, this ray. So in this question, for your convenience, for your consideration, I am starting from this point. Okay, so from A, if you are moving from A, who will come? O, then who will come? B. Okay, for the next angle, if you are starting from B, who will come? O, then who will come? C. So as you can see, 2 points are coming, O, O, B, B, and O and B are on the same ray. O and B are on the same ray. So ray O, B, if we are written here ray A, ray name, on that time we have to put both sided arrow. Ray OB is common. So here we completed exercise 4.3. I hope you enjoyed it and understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.